They are classified into 5 types mainly based on morphology. They are mainly classified into 5 types. One is lentigo maligna melanoma. Second one is superficial spreading malignant melanoma. Superficial spreading melanoma. Third one is acral lentiginous melanoma. Fourth one is nodular melanoma. Fifth one is desmoplastic melanoma. These are 5 types. One is lentigo maligna melanoma, superficial spreading melanoma, acral lentiginous melanoma, nodular melanoma, desmoplastic melanoma. We'll discuss each of these types. First we'll discuss of lentigo maligna melanoma. This lentigo malignant melanoma, it arises from the lentigo nevus. It is one type of nevus. It arises from this lentigo nevus, and it has got good prognosis. Okay, this has got good prognosis. And second one is superficial spreading malignant melanoma. They arises from superficial spreading melanoma in situ. Okay, the name will be there, but in situ. Okay, there is from superficial spreading melanoma in situ. They are slightly elevated lesions are there. Elevated lesions are there. There is some worse prognosis. This is about superficial spreading melanoma. Coming to acral lentiginous melanoma, they arises in the palms and soles. Mainly they arise from palms and soles. They spreads early, metastasis early. Okay, these are the 2 important points of this acral lentiginous melanoma. And sometimes there will be ulcerations. Okay, even ulcerations will be present even in this superficial lentiginous melanoma. Ulcerations will be there. And nodular melanoma, they are elevated lesions will be there. And one more thing about this acral lentiginous melanoma is they too have worse prognosis. This prognosis worse than this superficial spreading melanoma. Okay, the prognosis of acral lentiginous melanoma is worse than superficial spreading melanoma. Okay, coming to nodular melanoma, they are elevated lesions. They have got poor prognosis or worse prognosis. They are dark color. Okay, the lesions are dark color. Coming to desmoplastic melanoma, there are fibrotic lesions will be there. Fibrotic stroma will be there. And one more thing is neural invasion will be there. Okay, neural invasion will be there, and there is local reoccurrence. This reoccurrence. Okay, these are 3 important points of desmoplastic melanoma. One is there is fibrotic stroma. Next one is neural invasion. There will be local recurrence. Okay. Then coming to histology.